Hey, nobody super his mama. Breakfast in bed.
Yeah. Okay.
Man, Shay. Man, Shay.
Thank you.
What he does next in these next couple of weeks.
Tá lá.
Well, we do have some.
Vamos até citar, vamos até citar,
One
vamos
freeway
embora.
restaurant is offering Rogers and his fiancee
Happy
free
Mother's
burgers
Day.
and beer for life in his day, so we'll see how that goes. Talking
Man,
Lakers,
this sounds
Anthony
lit.
Davis, banged up AD on the other side.
Toma, Jesus.
Tem uma manjetinha, irmão.